I'm from Shane's Trees. We're going to be taking on a little backyard just full of small pine trees. There's around 20 of them or so, and we've just got to remove them and just get them out of here. It's going to require just being accurate with where we drop them, make sure they don't fall over the fence and just don't damage any property as we're working through it. All the stumps need to be poisoned so they don't grow back at the end of it all. Nice simple job. Hopefully we smash through this.
Poison, is it?
Yeah, it's just herbicide. What I'm doing is cutting into the cambium layer, which is the bit that grows on the outside. You cut into that edge bit and then you put the poison in that, and that will allow it to die. If you don't do that, then the poison just sits on top and does nothing. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time, alright?